What's up, YouTube? I just finished waking up from a nap with my girl. We stay grinding all day, every day. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a high, bald fade, pompadour on top, hard part, clean ass beard, fresh as fuck. You know how we do. Stay tuned. So right now we know we're just spraying the hair down. And then you get your TI liner, whatever you use, any liner you have, go around, and you see how I go right. So there's going to be no hook in this haircut. So you go all the way to the top, where I left it around there, and you bald out the whole head. Get your shaver, that's a must. You know, you want to leave that stuff like skin bald. Give them that fresh feeling. All the stubble. Then with your clipper, you open up the guard and you go half an inch to an inch above, depending on how smooth you want the blend. I usually go like half an inch. I don't usually go use the full inch. Put it to the middle. Hit that right to the top, not all the way to the top though. Then you close it more and you get that line out. And then after you close it all the way and hit the last line. So go lower and lower every time you do it. So when you open it at half, go almost to the top of that guideline, and therefore. Then, hold up, you see right there? Your T outliners, to get the little last line out, and then you saw how I used the shaver. You just tap it to get the little line out, because there's always going to be a line from your shavers. That's the 1.5 guard open. You go another inch above, and then you close it. Then you get the half guard halfway open, and then little by little until you close it all the way closed and hit that last line. Then after that, you're gonna have to take the guard off and open up the lever and flick out. And be careful when you flick it out. You can use the corner of your blades too. See right there, I'm using the corners. Then see I have it open, no guard, just flicking out the little line. Use the corners of your blade. Two and a half guard, go all the way up to the top, right where all the way to the top of the top hair, right there. You don't want to go too high though. Give yourself some room for the clipper over the comb. Close it. Then you get the 1.5 guard open and you go right under that line. And then after that, you're going to close it. And make sure to flick out when you're doing all these steps. You got to flick out. You don't want to make another line and another line. And now, see, after that, you're gonna go back with the 1 guard open, and use the corners. You gotta play with the lever too. You gotta go down and up. Like, you see, I'm just moving it up and down, and just flicking it out. See, halfway. Closed. Then I might even need to go back with the half guard and open it up. I even went back to the no guard and just flick it out. With my hair grippers, I use those before I do the lineup. I brush down all the hair, and you don't want to push the lineup. See, you want a natural look. That's a major key if you're doing a lineup. You don't want to push that shit back. You'll look stupid in a few days. Okay, this is how I blend the beard. How I do a beard is basically how you do the fade, except in a smaller area. So you open up the guard and then you close it. You blend it in, and then the 2 guard is what I usually do, and go like right there below the ear, and then from there the 1.5 guard, open, close it, then you get the half guard. Same step basically. You're just doing it in reverse. Right there, the chin liner. Make that shape natural as possible. Give that little curve. Clipper over comb. You can't really tell that he needs it that much, but like close up, I'm barely getting the little hairs. Be careful, you don't want to go too in, you'll leave a fat bald spot. That will be very hard to take out. Might have to shave the whole head, honestly. I've done that before. Brum, brum, brum. Spray the water on. I'm about to trim the top a little bit, and then he wants a part this time. So see how I parted that? You want to make sure to like comb the hair good, because you want it parted nicely. You don't want it to part too in the middle. You don't want it too close to the corner. You want it just right. Clipper over comb that. Then I go back in with like a 2.5 guard, and I just flick that little line that like see I can't get out. Sometimes you gotta use the clips. One and a half guard open, and then just like shear over comb work. Brush everything down, line them up, sharp, crispy. All my lines are perfectly straight. You feel me? That's the way I do it. Finishing up the shear work right there. Snip, 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 snip. Alright, so right now I'm gonna be doing the beard. I'm using Easy Blade Shave Gel. Easy Blade shaving products, that's the way to go, man. Always works. Look at how easy the razor glides with it. Softens up the skin, so you make sure you don't want to cut your clients or anything. I used to dry shave most of the time until I got this, and I really like the way it worked, so I'm sticking with it ever since. Shout out Easy Blade. Having that beard looking crispy with that straight razor though. Straight razor really makes a big difference in a haircut. You gotta get those neck hairs, that's a must. Get them with the razor. Put some Easy Blade shaving cream on it, and boom! Look at that. That looks hella satisfying. Tell me that does not look satisfying. Put some product in that fool's hair. Make it pop. Make it pop. Shaving the bottom of his neck. So you gotta be careful. You gotta for sure use your shaving gel right there. You don't want to irritate the client's skin. Boom! Look at me go with that air compressor. See, it's an enhancement. Like, you saw how good the haircut looked before. Look at after. Like, I'm just enhancing the cut, and it makes a big difference. But it's not cheating. I don't know why barbers hate on enhancements. Look at how fresh that cut looks. Go slide on the enhancements, make that shit pop. It looks fire. You know, this is how we do. This is how we do. Spot a line on that haircut. Comment if you see a line, because you're not gonna see one. Fire. My boy looking fire. You feel me? It's what I do. It's what I do. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. Love you. Peace.